Are you a grill master? If so, you know that keeping your grill clean is an important part of the cooking process. Not only does it make for better tasting food, but it also helps to extend the life of your grill. In this video, we'll show you how to easily clean your grill in just a few simple steps. To get started, you'll need a bucket of warm water, some dish soap, a wire brush, and a sponge. First, remove the grates from your grill and set them aside. Next, using the wire brush, scrape off any large pieces of food or debris. Once the grates are free of large pieces, use the sponge and soapy water to scrub them clean. Be sure to get into all of the nooks and crannies. Then, rinse the grates with clean water and dry them with a cloth. Now it's time to clean the inside of the grill. Using the wire brush, scrape off any food or debris that's built up on the inside. Then, use the sponge and soapy water to give it a good scrub. Finally, rinse the inside of the grill with clean water and dry it with a cloth. Now your grill is clean and ready to use. But don't forget to oil the grates before your next cookout. A light coat of oil will help to prevent food from sticking and will also help to season the grates. Simply pour a small amount of oil onto a cloth and wipe it over the grates before heating up the grill. With these simple steps, you can keep your grill clean and in great condition. Now all that's left to do is fire it up and start grilling. Happy cooking! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!